Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. So let's get started. First, open your mobile browser, like Safari or Chrome, and go to youtube.com. When it asks to open the YouTube app, ignore it. Next, request the desktop version of the site. On iOS, tap the 3 dots, then scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. On Android, tap the 3 dots in the browser and choose Request Desktop Site. Make sure you are logged into the right YouTube channel. If needed, switch accounts by tapping your profile picture. Because the desktop site looks small on mobile, zoom in by pinching the screen. Then, tap your profile picture again and select YouTube Studio. If the YouTube Studio app opens, delete it temporarily. On the dashboard, find the recent subscribers card. Tap See All to view your subscribers, their subscription dates, and channels. For me, as you can see, there is nothing listed that is because I don't have any subscribers. But if you have any, they will be listed below Channel Analytics. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.